how to have your first $1,000 days with Clickbank affiliate marketing. You see, most people have problems with traffic. They don't know how to get audiences to convert, and they think that the problem is basically in the traffic itself. But let me show you exactly, step by step in this video, what is actually the truth behind the traffic problems. So why stuff that should sell don't sell? If I personally had to double conversions, right, in 2 days or less, I would never spend 5 hours trying to figure out any kind of hacks or tricks on copywriting. Believe me, I would never do that. But most newbies tend to do that. They think that the problem is in copywriting, right? When 15 minutes of actual research, I could double the amount I know about the prospect or the customer. See, it's all about the research, understanding. If you are in the, for example, in dating space, understanding what is the problem. I'm just giving an example, right? Dating, it could be make money online, weight loss, personal growth, whatever. I'm just telling you in dating, for example, could be just researching what female market wants. What are the pain points? What are the problems? What is the new way out? So understanding that can give you much more bigger aha moments or insights to get much more better results, right? This is the fastest way that I know personally in my experience to get the best results with affiliate marketing. Let's go further. So the 3 things that will solve all your traffic problems. What are those three things? The first thing is irresistible offer, right? Product and offer is not the same thing. Offer is really different thing, and you have to understand and double down what is your offer. The second step is it can be purchased anywhere else but you. And the third step is big, fat, pregnant margins. I'm always telling you, promote a product that's going to pay you at least $100 to $1,000 per sale. Why? Because you will not struggle with marketing budget. You will not struggle to make ends meet, right? When you're running traffic, when you're buying media, right, buying ads, remember, you need big, fat, pregnant margins, huge commissions in order to scale up your business, right? To make some serious coin online, right? It's really important. Those 3 things are the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. 3 things will solve all your traffic problems. Irresistible offer, can be purchased anywhere else but you, and big, fat, pregnant margins. Next step is that I see many newbies in affiliate marketing and business owners do, is when it comes to traffic and marketing and sales, they take this marketing and traffic as a trip to wholesale foods, right? Buying an apple, like I see here, right? They go to wholesale foods, buy an apple, spend $5 for an apple, and then bite an apple, take one bite, and throw the whole apple away. That's when it comes to marketing the same way, right? Taking one bite and throw the whole apple away. Why I'm telling you about the apple? Because the same things happen online. For example, with Facebook ads, with Google ads. Look, let me show you what I mean by that. You see, it's not much different than buying clicks for $5, right? Running them to a webinar. You send people to a webinar or to the email opt-in, to the landing page, right? And if those people don't opt in, if those people don't buy your Clickbank weight loss supplement on the first bite, then you just simply throw them away. You just throw them away. What you did in this case, you just lost lots of time, lots of money, and then you blame someone else for your traffic problems, right? And no one on Clickbank, no guru is talking about this, right? And lots of people, newbies, tend to think, okay, the problem are expensive apples. This apple cost me $5, these clicks cost me $5, and they did not convert. Not true. The problem is not apple, the problem is not traffic, right? I can compare this apple to much cheaper clicks. I would say, okay, if I get much more cheaper clicks, the offer will convert. Not true. Why? Because it's not about the apples, it's not about the traffic, it's about your offering. It's about the offer that you put together, right? And also, you don't throw the whole customer away, right? Not just take one bite and throw the customer away. That's what happens online with most affiliate marketers online, running traffic, with business owners running traffic, right? They just take one bite and throw the whole traffic source, their audiences away. They don't build an asset, they don't build email lists, they don't cultivate them, nurture them, and then follow up them with follow-up sequence, with email autoresponder, and then yeah, of course, people will buy, right? On the second or third bite, right? Maybe not on the first bite, but they will buy on second or maybe on fourth bite. But you have to get them to opt in. You have to cultivate the email list and build a relationship with the email list. And that, my friend, will make you a whole lot of money in the future. If you're going to do that, you will not struggle with ad spend. You will not struggle with ads like other people, right? They're trying to get cheap clicks. Why? Because they're doing this business model totally wrong, right? They are just trying to get quick cash, quick opt-ins, quick sales without cultivating the list, without capturing the list, right? And then following up with them in the future, in the week from now or 3 days from now. Because in most cases, people tend to not buy on the first bite. They always buy later, right? But not on the first. Some do, some don't, right? So it's really important. If you want to make huge commissions and earn a lot more money from the upsells in the future, do what I'm just telling you right now. Do not throw the whole apple away. Take the whole apple, take one bite, and keep it for the next time. And that's how, my friend, you are going to save lots more money for your marketing budget. So in my experience, like I said, the way out of crazy house of traffic is not only to slow down, but eating the whole apple, right? And then taking the seeds out of this apple, plant them, a few of them, right? To grow your own apple trees, aka marketing, repeat business, referrals, passive income, right? So this is how it works in real life. If you want to get results from traffic, buy an apple, right? Buy apple for $5 or $10. Great. You bought an audience, you bought eyeballs. Now what to do? Cultivate them. Some won't buy, so whatever. Cultivate them, take them home to your email list, right? Cultivate that relationship, and then take it out and do the repeat business. So that's how it works, and you will never have traffic problems again. But of course, most courses you buy are teaching you just send them straight to the landing page. Just send them straight to the landing page. Don't need to build email list, right? Of course, they're teaching you that, but they're doing totally opposite. They're cultivating the list for themselves so they can sell to you the course, right? But they're teaching you a totally opposite way of doing the business. That's why you're struggling always to make the ends meet. You always be in this rat race of trying to get cheaper clicks. So when the prices go up, right? When the pay-per-click, cost per click basically go up, you will not be worried. Why? Because you have your own email list, you have your own little garden where you can plant the seed, it will grow, you harvest the seed, you harvest what grows, right? You make money and you reinvest and rinse and repeat. This is how you can get great results with online marketing. If you have someone to guide you through step by step, one-on-one, to show you how it works, right? So you can have great results online with affiliate marketing. So what to do next after watching this video? If it makes sense to you, if you have the right energy about it, you can connect with me simply one-on-one. You can subscribe to my channel. You can also like this video, and all the links to my social media accounts and email are below this video. You can reach out to me, especially also on WhatsApp. You can give me a call, but only if you're serious. Right? If you have some coin to invest and some time on the side, then this is the great opportunity for you. But I don't like time wasters, so do not waste my time, and I will not waste yours either. But if you're serious, and I think you are because you are staying until the end of this video, then please reach out to me. And if you have a question too regarding to how to get to your first $1,000 a day or $1,000 a month or $1,000 a week, whatever is your goal, whatever your income-wise goal is, then just click the link below this video, reach out to me and ask me how, and we can work together one-on-one and make something happen.